देखो, आज का टॉपिक है रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन। टुडेज टॉपिक इज रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन। सबसे पहले रिलेशन और फंक्शन में हम लोग बारी बारी से रिलेशन करेंगे सबसे पहले, और उसके बाद सेकेंड टॉपिक में फंक्शन करेंगे। ठीक है। रिलेशन में जो सबसे पहला टॉपिक जो आता है वो है ऑर्डर्ड पेयर। ऑर्डर्ड पेयर क्या होता है? व्हाट इज ऑर्डर्ड पेयर? ठीक है। टू numbers A and B listed in a specific order and enclosed in a parenthesis form an ordered pair. Two numbers A and B listed in a specific order and enclosed in parenthesis form an ordered pair AB like this. This is the ordered pair AB, जहाँ पे A को कहा जाता है फर्स्ट एलिमेंट और फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट, B को कहा जाता है सेकंड एलिमेंट और सेकंड कंपोनेंट। इसमें नोट रखने वाला बात यह है कि इफ वी इंटरचेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ ए बी, इट्स मीनिंग इज चेंज्ड। अगर हम ऑर्डर्ड पेयर के पोजीशन को चेंज कर देते हैं, ए को बी की जगह, बी को ए की जगह कर देते हैं, तो उस केस में ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का मीनिंग जो है वो चेंज हो जाएगा। जैसे सपोज वी आर प्लॉटिंग दिस इन आवर कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम एंड लेट द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बी फॉर एग्जांपल 2 and 3. नाउ if we plot 2 3 on the Cartesian system, this is the horizontal line is our x-axis and the vertical line is our y-axis. Both lines are perpendicular to each other and this is the center O. Now if we are plotting the point, suppose let this be A. If we plotting the point A 2 3, here 1 2, this is 1 2 3. The point goes like this. This is the point A which is 2 3. Now if we interchange the ordered pair, now we write A as 3 2, ordered pair is changed, and let this be B. If we interchange the order pair, now the point will goes like this. 3 come at this place and 2 come at this place. Now the point B becomes 3 2. Here clearly we see that after interchanging the ordered pairs, the coordinate will completely change. On the Cartesian system, 2 3 is a different point and 3 2 is completely a different point. So we have to consider always the ordered pair, the specific order which is enclosed in a parenthesis. So the ordered pair goes like this: A 2 3. If we change order pair, it completely change the point on the coordinate system, and this is becomes different point A 3 2 and A 2 3. Now once we are clear with ordered pair, the position, which is very important in this case, if we change the position and we come to our next topic, which is equality of two ordered pairs. Equality of two ordered pairs. If two ordered pairs are equal, then AB is equal to CD, like this. This implies that A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Whenever it is given in the question that this sign equality, the sign of equality, whenever this sign of equality is given in any question like this, then we have to equate the first coordinate with the second part of the first coordinate and the second coordinate with the second part of the second coordinate. So inequality of two ordered pairs, first coordinate is equal to the right side of the first coordinate and second coordinate is equal to the right side of the second coordinate. Now the question may come in this way, if a plus 1 comma b plus 3 is given equal to 2 and 3 and we have to find a and b. Now the question comes in this form. It is a 1 mark question, come in CBSE in general. If a plus b and b plus 3 coordinate of a point which is equal to 2, 3 and we have to find a and b and this equality of sign is given in between them. So we have to consider over here that the sign tell us everything. This sign shows that this is the case of equality of two ordered pairs, and in the equality of two ordered pairs the first coordinate, that is a plus 1, is equal to the right side of the first coordinate, that is 2, and the second coordinate of the left side is equal to the second coordinate of the right hand side. So on solving we get a equal to 2 minus 1 which is 1 and b is equal to 3 minus 3 which is 0. So in this way we can find out the value of a and b. In equality of ordered pairs we have to go like this. Okay? Now Cartesian product of two sets. Our next topic is Cartesian product of two sets. In Cartesian products, of two sets, let A and B be two non-empty sets. Here non-empty means that the element set A and set B is having some elements. There is some elements in set A and set B. The elements present in set A and set B are some elements like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C in any form. It not be empty. It not be empty set. It has some elements. So we write here A and B be two empty sets. To find the Cartesian product of A and B, which is written as A cross B, we like in set builder form as AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. AB such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B. That means whenever we find the Cartesian product of two sets A and B, we have to go like this: A cross B equal to AB, where A first component is from the first set A, second component is from the second set B. So we have to always go like this only. Now let us take an example. Suppose let set A is having some elements 1, 2, 4 and set B is having some elements 5, 6, and we have to find over here is A cross B. A cross B, that means Cartesian product of two sets A and B. Now we have to go like this: A cross B is equal to first element make ordered pair with the first element of the second set. In the same way, first element make ordered pair with the second element of the second set. So this goes like this: 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6. So this is the possible ordered pairs formed when we multiply two non-empty sets, Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B, and this is the result 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6 4 5 4 6. Now if we have to find over here also A cross B and check whether A cross B is equal to B cross A or not. If we have to do this on also in the question, if it is given also, then we have to find out B cross A. Now B cross A means we have to write the set B first, which is 5 6 cross A. We have to write the set first, which is 1 2 4. Now after solving, we go in the same way. First element of the first set make ordered pair with the first element of the second set, and same like also other elements 5 1 5 2 5 4 in the same way 6 1 6 2 6 4. This is the value of B cross A. Now here the value of A cross B, the set formed in A cross B is 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6 4 5 4 6, and here in B cross A the value formed is 5 1 5 2 5 4 6 1 6 2 6 4, which is completely different from the ordered pair of A cross B and B cross A. So after watching the results, we can say that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. That means the Cartesian product of two sets is not following the commutative law. It not follow the commutative law A cross B and B cross A. However, the result is same. Here the total number of ordered pairs formed is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here the total number of ordered pair formed is 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means this gives us an important result to note that if Na is equal to P and Nb is equal to Q, then Na cross B is equal to PQ, the product of total number of elements in first set and the total number of elements in second set. This is the note 1 for Cartesian product of two non-empty sets. Suppose if set A is infinite, suppose set A is infinite, then in this case the result of A cross B is also infinite. This is just because A has finite elements, so the ordered pair formed in A cross B is infinite because here value of A is infinite. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we don't know the value, the set of A. So the product will form in the same way 1 and the element of B, which is given, suppose 2 5 9 10. So it formed the set 1 2 2 5 3 9 4 10, and in the same way it goes like this. So the value of A cross B is infinite if any of the sets between A and B is infinite. ठीक है.